Welcome back to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into the viral sensation that took the internet by storm, Dalgona Coffee. Ready to make this frothy delight at home? Let's get started. First, grab a mixing bowl and combine 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Whisk these together vigorously, manual or electric, until you get a creamy, frothy texture. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. While you're whipping up that coffee, pour milk into a glass. Hot or cold, it's up to you. Once your coffee mix is ready, spoon it generously over the milk. Give it a gentle stir if you like, or dive right in with that creamy layer on top. And there you have it, your homemade Dalgona coffee. Enjoy the trend. Thanks for tuning in to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tasty recipes. Looking to enhance your coffee or tea experience? Visit our affiliated links for recommended products and exclusive deals. See you next time.